Guys, I'm gonna give you the secret to getting your 4,000 watch hours this year coming up. Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. Today I'm gonna go away from the norm. We're not cooking today. I want to share a little advice out there. I've been getting tons of questions on how to get to 4,000 watch hours in our little community. What I've found is no big shock to anybody, but it's simple, it's effective, and it'll get you where you want to be, okay? And that's going live. Simple as that, okay? And listen, if you guys live in Southern California like I do, and it's a beautiful day like it is today, go outside and go live. Bring your dog outside. Your dog will go live with you. People want to see the dog, all right? I have a whole setup to my left over here of grills, smokers. I have a dog that likes to talk. We got Charlie right here. What's up, Charlie? Charlie's our Frenchie pug. So Charlie helps me out here, and people want to talk to Charlie. So go live when you're outside. You got a grill, go outside and go live while you're grilling. There ain't nothing wrong with that. Listen, you want to go live chopping vegetables? Well, chop them bad boys. Chop! All right, I have a whole live stream just devoted to cutting vegetables. Just have fun with the people, interact with the people, keep them around. All right, talk to your fans. Okay. Now I've talked about how I got to 1,000 subscribers. You can watch that video right there. It was a challenge to get to 1,000 subscribers, but it was relatively easy as long as you did the networking, you did some collaborations, you were involved in live streams, all that stuff. The real challenge was getting to the 4,000 watch hours. So unless you have a video goes viral for you, more than likely you're gonna face those challenges too, all right, to get to the 4,000 watch hours. All right, so what I realized and what I'm trying to share with you today is that I stumbled upon it by almost accident. I decided to set up my live stream one day. I was prepping for a barbecue, and it was a Friday night, and we decided that I wanted to hang out and BS with my fans. And after I hit stop broadcast, and it was on my phone, it said that I had 40 hours of watch time. Now, I was only on for half an hour. Each person counts for watch time, okay? So you have 10 people watching your video for an hour, you're getting 10 watch hours, okay? So it kind of light bulb gone off a little bit, and pretty simple, but I decided that the key was just to start going live. Just go live. Even go live in the Starbucks line and talk about your addiction that you just can't seem to shake. Or you can go live and talk to other people. So I'm interviewing somebody right now. My co-host has got the interview going. He's asked a few questions, so I'm on mute, but this is a great way to gain watch hours. However, do not go live at your place of business. They frown on that. And definitely don't go live driving. The moment that kind of a little sunshine shined on me is I had an opportunity to do a weekly talk show where I interview other creators. That was July 2018, all right? I had 1,600 watch hours, all right? So I was pretty far away from getting where I wanted to be. I don't even think I would have been there within the year. And then I would have had to start all over again, right? Because it's, the 4,000 watch hours within a year. By December 2018, I had my 4,000 watch hours and my channel was being reviewed for monetization. But on that show, The Hot Seat, we have, 50, 60, even 150 viewers at any given time, depending on who the guest is. All right, so we get tons of watch hours from it. So that is my advice for you. Now, do you need to set up a talk show? No, don't set up a talk show. All right? I don't want the competition. There's a lot of people out there doing good things. This works for any niche, any genre, okay? If you're a vlogger, go live vlogging and interact with your people. If you're a foodie, you're at the latest new restaurant, go live and chat with your people. Tell them what it's like. Tell them what it's about. If you're into fixing cars, go live while you're changing the tire and show people how to do it while you're going live and interact with them. It may take a little bit more time to change that tire as you're going back and forth, but at least you're getting those watch hours, okay? And it's just anything else. If you're playing with toys, if you're scrapbooking, if you're a creator, anything, video gaming, go live. All right, it's the quickest possible way to get your 4,000 watch hours within that year. Something that's kind of a caveat to this, because it's just happened that if you have YouTube set up another requirement or another roadblock, if you will, that if you have under 1,000 subscribers, you cannot go live on your cell phone, any cellular device, or your iPad. That sucks. It does suck. There's ways around it, all right? This is a perfect example. That's why I have my laptop out right now. You can go live off your laptop. You can go live off your PC. Now, I'm not saying everybody has that, and I'm generalizing for the video, but most people have the PC or something like that they can go live with. I know when I got to 1,000 subscribers and I did that video on it, that was a challenge, but it wasn't the be all end all. You know, it sucked when YouTube went from 10,000 views to get monetized to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, because I was damn close to those 10,000 views, but I wasn't quite there with the subscribers, and definitely not there with the watch time. YouTube puts those roadblocks in there, but luckily there's people that care, and like myself, I am just a middle of the road, probably even a low volume creator. I do cooking videos, I do the hot seat, but my subscribers are barely over 4,000. My watch hours are just remarkable because I have that talk show. The hardest part was getting to those hours. Now, I know a lot of people are just doing YouTube for fun, all right? They don't care about hitting their 4,000 watch hours. The majority of the people that are jumping on the YouTube and they're putting their time in, they're trying to create something and let it grow, are concerned about their watch hours. If you're just in this for fun, more than likely you didn't click on this to watch. You are in this to get monetized. You want to make a buck or two on this and see where it goes. If you clicked on this, you know that you want to get to 4,000 watch hours. I tell you, the one main thing to do to get the 4,000 watch hours, believe you me, this is what's going to work. I know it works because I've done it. All right, I've given other people advice to do it, and they've done it. Just remember that. Interact with the fans on there. Talk to them. Tell them what's up. Keep them engaged. Tell them exactly what you're doing along the line. All right, keep it going. Keep the live streams going as long as you can, because the more people in there, the more engagement, the more time, the quicker you get to those 4,000 watch hours. Just let me say this, just because you get to those 4,000 watch hours doesn't mean you're done. It's a year-over-year thing, okay? It is not the 1,000 subscribers and I'm out, all right? It is a year-over-year thing. So make sure that you keep your community engaged, all right? Once you get to those 4,000 watch hours, maybe you don't have to go live as often, but keep doing it. Do it once every couple of weeks, a couple hours a month, whatever you need to do. Keep your community engaged, all right? So that's my opinion, all right? I am not an expert by any means. I am just telling you what worked for me, and I'm sharing what worked for me. Put a comment down below if you think I'm, right, wrong. Be cool in the comments, all right? No one needs to be a jerk out there. But if you think I'm right or wrong, or if it's helped you in any way, let me know. There's an email down below. If you just have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. I answer every comment that comes my way. If you have a question that you don't want to leave in the comments, send it to that email, and I'll get back to you, okay? Again, not an expert, not professing to be an expert. I'm just telling you what worked for me. I'm sharing what worked for me because I want to help you too. I try to help out anybody I can, when I can, with this YouTube game, just giving a little bit of experience and advice that I've gotten, because someone has done it for me. When I first got into this, people helped me along the way. The YouTube cooking community is vast, but it is tight-knit. There's very good people in there that are willing to help, so I decided that I would do my part and help out. That's it, guys. I appreciate you tuning in. This is just, like I said, it's a one-off. I do one of these once every 6 months or so. Not my bag, but I feel like I should share what I've learned along the way. All right, so that's it. Thanks for stopping by. We ain't cooking today, but thanks for learning with CJ. Take care.